Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily change the text cursor thickness on Windows 11. So it's very easy. Let's see. At first click here, or you can also click start on keyboard. After clicking here, click on settings, or if you are unable to find this, go to settings here, type settings. After typing, click on open to open the settings. We have opened it. On the left you can see accessibility is visible. Click on it. On clicking, the accessibility option is visible. You need to click on the text cursor from here. After clicking, you can see the text cursor section is visible. Go below. Herein you can see the text cursor thickness. The following is visible here. Preview means for sample, that it will be actually visible like this. When I'll change it, you can see the thickness increased. In this way you can easily set it. I'll keep it here. I guess this is fine. You don't need to save it. It will get saved by default. So guys, in this video we saw how we can change the text cursor thickness on Windows 11. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.